generally not seen in the jungles of India. He remembered the resemblance of a tiger with a Siberian counterpart. But now the question is how a tiger from Siberia has come into the jungles of Angama. Mr. Loudspeaker, can I ask you something? Bhumej suddenly interrupted the altercation that was going on in between Professor Bashu and the voice from the soundbox. Yes, the voice replied. What about the tribesmen? We have heard a lot about the Sentinelese tribe and their hostility against the common man. We spent so many days in this island, but found none of them. They are known to throw arrows and specks at any human visitors to their island. But none such incident was observed or faced during our stay. What is the reason? Do you have any idea? Bhumej queried. After smiling for 5 long minutes, which was quite irritable for his listeners, the voice from the soundbox replied. I have made them inert by one of my inventions. How? All the listeners shouted at him. Before setting here with the help of 10 to 12 drones, I have sprayed a gas that can make any living being into its vegetative state. At that time, the living being become non-living without any sense. That means neither they can walk, nor they can talk, or nor they can run, just like a tree or when a human being goes into coma. They will not die, but they will be similar to that. You scoundrel, you have killed one of the rarest civilizations in Earth.